invite our school pupil leaders, Vaishnavi Sinha and Harsh Anand Thakur, are here to share their views and visions for the motherland. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to light and freedom. A time comes rarely in history when soul of our nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. 79 years from that momentous date, when on 15th August 1947, when Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru echoed these famous lines, the soul of our country has not only found utterance, but it is speaking clearly and loudly, and the whole world is listening.
79 years in human age is a ripe old age, and the person is resigned to meet his end. But 79 years in a country's age is still infancy. Other nations have taken hundreds of years and gone through bloody wars to settle down to a civil society. But India, in just 79 years, have grown in leaps and bounds in every sphere of life. When the British left our shores in 1947, we were reduced to a poster child of poverty, with 90% people living below the poverty line.
Today, we stand vindicated and on the verge of being the third biggest economy of the world. And our democracy, with so much diversity and population, is a textbook of success. Today, as we race towards becoming a global power, we must pause to introspect and pay homage to countless people who sacrificed their lives and ensured us to breathe in a free country. We talk so much about our freedom fighters and their sacrifices, but we cannot feel that emotion, pain and sufferings simply because we were not there at that time. But their steel courage and love for motherland is a textbook of success.
Our chest is swollen with pride when Group Captain of Indian Air Force Subhanshu Shukla has sojourned in space, when our cricket team won the T20 World Cup, when Devika and Gukesh became the world champion at such a young age. There are so many instances of brilliance and excellence in various fields where we have made the world to notice us. Recently, our armed forces launched Operation Sindoor to eliminate terrorists hiding in Pakistan. The world saw the indomitable bravery of our soldiers and the state of art of technology of our defense system.
We are fully prepared to give befitting reply to our enemies if they dare to intrude our integrity and sovereignty. This zeal, passion, courage and patriotism we have inherited from our freedom fighters. As Bhagat Singh said, no sacrifice is too great or so magnificent that can undermine the love for motherland. Freedom was not given to us on a platter by British. Our forefathers soaked this earth with blood to free our nation from the British Empire. This is our legacy, which we cannot forget. But now the challenges are different. We are no longer a poor slave nation. There are many hurdles yet to overcome, many rivers yet to cross, many mountains to climb, and for that we need the same passion, resolve, and the spirit of sacrifice that personified our freedom fighters to overcome these obstacles.
Today, we celebrate, but we are not complacent. Freedom brings it with new responsibilities and challenges. We are ready. Tomorrow, we shall chart the journey that lies ahead with hope and confidence. But just for today, we shall savor and celebrate our cherished Independence Day.
To conclude, let us play for our beloved nation in the immortal words of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Where mind is without fear and head is held high, where knowledge is free, where words come from depth of truth into the heaven of freedom, let my country awake. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.